Guys, this is my second unboxing. Yes, my second unboxing and of the controller before I unbox this. And yes, it's pretty cool. And now let's unbox my controller. It comes with this little opening. On the back it shows the color and stuff like that. They haven't I got it in red, but they hadn't made a color there or something, but yes, I still got it. And yes, red and DualShock 3 for PE3, and yes, it's really awesome. Let's get it out. It's pretty tough with one hand. This is the controller, really cool. Fits very nice in the hand. I'm really looking forward to try this. Fits so good. Oh, that's really good. That was it for this second unboxing, and see ya.